Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying network access and deciding scope, Wi-Fi only, system private DNS, or an app. Once done, open Settings and tap Network or Connections. Make sure airplane mode is off. If changing Wi-Fi DNS, long press the network name and select Modify Network. Enable advanced options. If using private DNS on Android, scroll to Private DNS. You're starting practical configuration now, so keep your chosen DNS addresses visible and ready to paste or type. You'll now enter the DNS values. On Android Wi-Fi, switch IP settings to static and fill DNS1 and DNS2 with numerical addresses. Save changes. For private DNS, choose the provider hostname option and type the provider's domain like 1. Save and exit. On iPhone, tap the connected network, choose Configure DNS right arrow manual, remove current servers, then add server and enter the numeric addresses. Make sure to save, because unsaved edits won't apply. Once you've saved settings, restart Wi-Fi or reboot the device to ensure the new DNS takes effect. Then test by visiting a website or running a DNS test. You should see the new resolver listed and improved resolution consistency. If pages fail to load or latency increases, revert to the previous DNS, try a different provider like 8 or 9 and reapply. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.